Hello everyone, thank you very much for watching Gibbs TV. Today's video, I'll be walking you guys through easy way to do research, particularly if you want to write an essay. Okay, sometimes people commit plagiarism issues. So if you want to prevent plagiarism in order to come out with an original essay or a discussion, then this particular AI tool that I'm about to introduce to viewers is for you. Let me quickly share my screen so that I'll walk you guys through how to use the AI tool that will help you to do paraphrasing. So paraphrasing is a powerful tool. So this particular AI tool is key when you want to do a good paraphrasing so that you prevent plagiarism issue. All right. The name of this AI is called Paperpal AI. Paperpal AI. So if you want to use it, all you need to do is to open your browser. As you can see on my screen, I've opened my browser. So I'm going to type in Paperpal AI. So once I type in Paperpal AI, then I'll hit my enter key. So when I hit my enter key, what will come is that you'll see series of options. So you'll be looking for Paperpal AI, and that is the first link that you'll see, AI Academic Writing 2, Online English Language Checker. It will check your English writing, to check for grammar, to check for so many things, but the critical element that you'll be looking for is to paraphrase the information that you want to submit for your assignment or for any type of research activity that you have been assigned to do, especially if you want to do the literature review. Okay, I'll do another video that will show you how you can use to come out with literature review, okay, with a concise thematic analysis. So watch out for those videos as well. All you need to do is to click the link. Once you click the link, it will ask you to create an account. There are two ways to do it. Okay, it's either you log in through your Google account, or you will have to create an account. Okay, I already logged in with my Google account. So assuming that I don't have a Google account, then I have to log in through by setting an account here. So for instance, if you want to log in, you click Start Writing, it's free, or you can just click on this check mark. Any of these areas will get you started. So when I click on this, it will open this interface for you to either create an account or log in. Because I've already logged in. That is why you see that it has taken me into my interface, because I logged in through my Google account. I didn't create a new login account because I already have a Google account. So I just click and it took me to this interface. So here you have to go through to see what you want to do. Okay, this is my account. Okay, and do you want to do any editing surveys? It will ask you many questions. For instance, when you are trying to set up the account and you log in through your Google account, you will see that it will ask whether you are a student, a professor, an editor, so that the system will know how to work with you. Okay, so that is one critical thing you should take note of when you are here in this Paperpal AI tool. All right. So here, what you need to do is that, what do you want to do? Is it a new web document that you want to work with? Or what do you want to do? So first of all, I was working the document. So my first document, I can come to this link. Then, because I've already worked in, okay, I can download as a PDF, or I can also download as a Word document. So always, this is the interface you see when you are working through. And it will tell you what to do with this particular interface. So take note of that. All right. So you see that once you get into the Paperpal AI, okay, to your right, you see a series of tabs: edit, rewrite, translate, template, check, upgrade. So if you want to rewrite any document, you click on the rewrite. The rewrite, so what you want to do if you want to rewrite is either you are doing paraphrasing, you want to trim the document, or you want to make it an academic type of document that needs to be paraphrased. Okay, it means that all type of citation that you put in, okay, it has to make sure that it brings all those citations intersected the way you want it. Okay, so basically it's about academic writing. So say make academic. When you say make academic, all you need to do is that you need to generate. What are you going to generate? The information that you put here is what is going to generate for you. So for instance, if you don't have any information here, all you need to do is, for example, if you want to, let's say, work with, hold on. Let's say you want to paraphrase courses of implementation fidelity. So let's assume this link is what you want to work with. You have a whole document that you want to paraphrase to suit your, because maybe it's relevant to your discussion. So you want to paraphrase so that it will fit into your discussion. So if it happens like that, all you need to do is you need to copy, then you will come to the AI setup. You come to the AI setup, and that is where you will paste the information that you copied. Okay, you have to paste the information here. So for example, you copied the information, so you have to paste it in the AI. I paste it. So once you paste into the system or the AI portal, all you need to do is to generate. So you come here, you put a cursor here, and you click on generate. So make sure that it's going to generate the information for you. So once you highlight it, then you click generate. So it's going to generate by paraphrasing so that it will be different from what you have put into the system. For example, if you look at the first sentence in the highlighted region, that is the left-hand side of the screen, you observe that it reads implementation fidelity is the degree to which programs are implemented as intended by the program developers. Okay. And if you look at the paraphrase one, it reads implementation fidelity refers to the degree to which interventions are implemented as intended by the program developers. That in paraphrase. And it is sometimes also referred to as integrity. So if you look at here, this idea is sometimes also termed integrity. So this tool is very powerful because it's going to help you to paraphrase all document and all research that you want to do, so that you will not commit any plagiarism problem or issue. So this is the tool I wanted to introduce you into. So once you are done, you can save, okay? Or even if you close it, you come back to it, it's easy for you to download, okay? Yeah, so once you are through, you can check, you can do the checks to see if, whatever you're going to submit into a journal, or if you want to submit, okay, it fit into the journal quality. And then also at a particular one, you have a whole document or article that you want to paraphrase, you can copy all, then you put them in. If you're going to paraphrase, all you need to do is you have to do a solid analysis to fit into the discussion. That will be a bit different from what is already in the document. You will have your new article to work with. So then you can go and make sure that you will be able to download it. Okay, if you want to install anything, you can install. If you want to edit, whatever you want to do with it, you can do with it. If you want to install Word in, then you can also do with that. Once you are through and you want to just go straight to the paraphrasing, the rewrite session, all you need to do is when you go to the Make Academics, you generate. Once it's been generated, you can copy the document into a Word. Okay. Then you have your information that have been paraphrased. So you will not commit any type of plagiarism issue here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.